Igbos all over the world, both the one in Nigeria and the one in diaspora, e don read though. They say they go protect their daughter wey be Amaka at all level in all court. And the most set of useless people I ever see in this life, they're supposed to have the certificate of Iberiberism and certificate of Idotism, is the House of Representatives who write a letter to the Canadian government against Amaka. Let me tell you people, the injustice against Ndigbo have to come to an end. My fans have been asking me, Oga Balabas, you don't want to talk about this that is happening. Use your platform and talk and say Balabas must talk. And here is what I want to talk. There is others in Igbo language that says that means that not all waters that is falling you fetch. During those days where we used to fetch water in our roof. So that others is very simple. Not all talk, not every nonsense anybody says that we the Igbos will respond. But Nigeria knows better. The people that is running the country knows quite better that it cannot push the Igbos too much. They must react, and one person just react, everywhere catch fire. So, but those Benis who don't even know what Igbos can do, I am sorry for you. You have to ask questions. I've never in my life been against of any tribe in Nigeria. Everybody is my friend, regardless of what I believe on or what I do not believe on. But you see, the height of injustice that you people are putting in Igbos is becoming too much. And this time around, when you put your head, we'll give you woto. My people, I want us to watch some videos. We'll get something that we want to talk. Very, very important. If you have not been watching my video, try to watch this one from beginning to end. And you will know that where all these things are coming from, where all this is started. Everybody will ask, who is Amaka? Amaka is one of our sister who is throwing on TikTok and see where the Benins are busy and the Yorubas are busy insulting the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not, they started this thing with Peter Obi, but they see that the Igbos did not reply and they now transfer it to Nnamdi Kanu. When they transfer to Nnamdi Kanu and they see that a lot of Biafrans and people who love Nnamdi Kanu, a lot of Igbos have started replying to them and bring up the Oba picture and say, since you are attacking Nnamdi Kanu and using him to make caricature, we cannot be on social media. We are columba you 100 times. And see you doing this, the Igbos now started their own. It didn't end there until they want a Fref who live in whatever, is it in Italy or in Germany, wherever he live in, start making a comment that anywhere he see Igbo children, may they buy all of them. Before this, our sister now reply. Nigeria government House of Assembly representative or whatever they call themselves, representing the Zulu Babu kingdom representative. They did not see that. They did not see where a Olumole or Oshomole or Ashomole. They did not see that that Ijo. They did not even see that one. They did not see the Asari Dokubo. The pig himself, they did not even see that one. When you come outside to make a caricature of the Igbos, they did not see the wife of Ebola man, the Kulumbu, the Afondeik or whatever they call themselves. They did not see that one. They did not see the people who come outside in Lagos say, Igbos, if you protest, this will happen. They did not see the Oba of Lagos who come outside. They said he's going to throw the Igbos in Lagu. They did not see that. And you see innocent woman who got angry and say he will defend and he will speak up for what they are doing to their people. His people rush and go and write letter. The injustice against the Igbos is too much and it must come to an end with immediate effect. It must come to an end. Not all Benis are bad, not all Yorubas are bad, but the ones who are doing this thing, the ones who are learned are not speaking up. You are not speaking up. When the Igbo react, the Igbo own will be different entirely. I want to play this video for you to watch how this thing started and how our sister is now who just a word he says started trending because he pained them so much that he say who says Igbo, oh, let us bring you up as an Igbo. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
We be Benin people. We know what we shall do, who do to them. Both, I put this thing now, make our people, both home and abroad, they hear Our children, they want to go for Abi. If you go wait, I'm going to the video. God damn it! And you are the best. Benin Empire, now Empire they call them. They don't say Benin. They don't say Edo State. Now Benin Empire. You don't get right to the talk to us anywhere you see their children. On a life thing, both home and abroad, America, Europe, anywhere in the world, on a life thing. If they feel say they get the power or they get the right, we will let them know say we be Benin people. We know what we shall do, who will do it to them. Both and they put this thing now, make our people both home and abroad the year round. Maybe say anywhere they will see their children on a life them. Okay. Anywhere where they see both children, maybe they on a life them. Okay. Now our children they want to go for.
You see the thing? This is what got this our sister angry, and he come up to make his own statement. And now the Zoological Republic, I never used this word before, but I'm using it with a heart full of anger. The Zoological Republic of Federal Republic of Nigeria, where the baboons and monkey are sitting in a chamber making laws, move to against Amaka. And he never moved against the Oba of Benin, the Oba of Lagos. He never moved against Asadi Dokubo, who threatened to bring out gun in video Korokoro that he's going to use it against the Igbos. You never move against Ashawamole. You never move against all those people. Even the wife of the president, who said that if your husband win, is going to chase him. Immediately Tinubu enters, not when they started to demolish Igbo properties in Lagos. And you people will come outside here to talk nonsense. Let me tell you, enough is enough. You people started it and you are going to end it. You started it, but I'm pitying the innocent Beninese who are keeping quiet, and those fools who don't even know their whereabouts in Europe are making this statement. Most of them are frustrated. They don't even know their whereabouts in Europe. They are not even thinking to go home, and they are making this statement to cause havoc between the peaceful indigenous people of the Igbos and the Beninese. And you one that is reasonable and not making comment over the havoc. The worst part of it is that whenever you see any Yoruba or any Benin or any tribe who are complaining bitterly or who are talking against the Igbos, just stop that person and ask that person a simple question. What did the Igbos do to you? They have no answer. They have no reason. They have nothing. They have no explanation to give to you that this is what the Igbos do to me as an individual or do to my people. They have nothing to tell you. But they just hate the Igbos with no reason. We don't give a fuck whosoever that hate the Igbos, but mind your boundary. And the Zoological Republic is helping to grow the hatred between all ethnic group, and tomorrow they will come outside and say one Nigeria. That's what Ndigbo is fighting for. Is real. I'm going to bring out this picture to show you. Even the UN in 2016 confirmed that the Nigeria are divided more than ever. It can't stay long. We cannot live long anymore. Watch this thing I'm telling you. I'll bring out the picture to show you. They said this in 2016 and it's happening before everybody's eyes. So I'm going to show you other videos that led to all these things. Just calm down and watch the videos.
One of you, I swear in the name of God Almighty Allah, goes against my will that Ambode, inshallah, will be the next governor of Lagos State. The best thing is going to die inside this country. I'm not ready to beg, appeal to anybody, and that's why Ajadu and the governor says, that is your own. Even the two of them, they cannot disobey me. But nobody knew how I pick Ambode. Jimmy is my blood relation, and I told him in the plain language he can never be governor in Lagos for now. Future belongs to God. I'm not begging anybody to go, but you must not. I repeat, what you people cannot do in Onitsha, what you cannot do in Aba or anywhere. If you do what I want, Lagos will continue to be prosper for you. If you go against this, you will perish in the water. Finish.
The Lagos State Parks Management Committee Chairman Musiliu Akisonye, also known as MC Olomo, has warned Igbos in the state ahead of this Saturday's governorship election. MC Oluomo, addressing supporters of the ruling All Progressives Congress APC in a viral video, threatened Igbos who will not vote for the party to stay at home.
Ẹ sọ pé ẹ ti gbọ́ tẹ́lá ti ṣe mistake ó má ti yé yín tẹ̀sí ní pé mistake ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀tẹ̀pẹ́ ilẹ̀ nídìí lọ́wọ́ ẹ ti yé yín.
His threat comes after Peter Obi of the Labour Party LP won in Lagos State during the presidential poll on February 25. Obi's unprecedented victory has positioned LP's candidate in Lagos State, Gbadebo Rhodes Fiver, as a major challenger to incumbent Babajide Sanwo-Olu of the APC.
Remember in 2019 when Remy Tinubu said in Yoruba dialect, "We're going to take over all the properties of Igbo people in Lagos by God's grace."
Ìjẹ́ ṣe bá ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ yìí tó ẹ̀bà jẹ́ àwa kan bínú ọmọ wa sísáàdì tí wàá lọ bímọ fún Ìgbò. Ṣé kí n lọ kó Obieze wa? Obieze lẹ ti gbà bọ̀dé. Olórí Obieze lẹ ti gbà bọ̀dé. Ó ti lọ mú kámẹ́rà wa lọ pílé ẹ̀ ní sí ẹ ti gbà bọ̀dé. A máa jogún yín ni ẹ tọ́ra yín àwa la máa jogún yín. Àgọ́ wa ló máa dáàdì ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. A máa jogún yín. Láìsẹ̀ pé yìí nìkan ni aráàlú. Haúsá wà ní àgbà wọn láyè. Kàlàbá wà ní àgbà wọn láyè. Ẹ wá ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé báwo ni tí wàá ṣe jẹ́. Ọlọ́run ò ní gbà fún yín.
So Yoruba, we should stop complaining because we need to protest. We need to come out and protest. Igbo are disrespecting our institution. They disrespect our traditional ruler. They disrespect all our headers, and they can't take it in their own space. Therefore, we must not fold our hand. I just have to tell everybody this: this protest, Igbo must go, and the scrap of the unitary system is a must, and it's coming, and it's going to be loud. It's going to, whoever that want to die should go and die. This is our space. This is our heritage. This is the land our father fought for, and we will not allow anybody, no matter how many acres of land you buy, it is our land, and your land, your purchased land have expired time. Right now. Therefore, you cannot claim ownership. So, thank you, Madam Ajoke, for
sir. Let me just quickly say this. I appreciate you, sir, Baba Omega.
And you watch the videos and see where all these things started and where it's now ending. Everything that is happening in Nigeria, they will always use the Igbos as a scapegoat of it. These people sitting down here making this comment. And do you know that most prominent people in Nigeria are joining these lives? And they are helping to instigate all this violence against the Igbos. And today, the House of Representatives of Monkey Republic of Nigeria are moving to ask for arrest of our sister Amaka. And that is what I called high level of injustice, and it cannot stand. We will stand with this our sister at all level, at all costs, in financial, in everything, in this particular one. If you are looking for who to arrest, all these people you see in this video, arrest them first. Then we will simply hand it over our sister according to the judgment you give to them. And this nonsense against the Igbos must stop. Today, I want all Igbos to be active in social media. Thank you, my brothers, for bringing the evidence and be showing to their face so that they know that we just keep quiet, not that we are fools. All Igbos should be active in social media. That is our power for now. But when it comes to face-to-face thing, they can't stand us. They know that. We have seen war. We have seen war. So if the Zoological Republic also call this particular clip and also put your own letter so that I will come and answer the Republic of Monkeys. Guys, share this video, you get why. And the Igbo should stand strong. Do not be afraid of any monkey who is talking. Share the video.